Hi, it's Therese and Lost in Paper, and I'm back to colour with you. And today I've got this awesome bird I want to colour from this Stampers Anonymous set, which is called Bird Crazy. I've also got a stamp set which is matching die from My Favourite Things. It's called Vanity License Plate, and I've got a little Avriel set called Party Animal. So let's get started. Now I want to stamp out the word Happy Birthday, and I have written it on a scrap piece of paper and worked out where I want the centre of the letters to be, because I'll start with those letters. It just makes it a bit easier. And I've got some VersaFine. I'm going to use the Smoky Grey ink today. And I'm not going to be too stressed about spacing, although I am going to try and keep my lines straight. I might need to change my stamp over to my stamp press. I'll just see how I go. So I'm going to use my grid lines a little bit here on my mat, and that's my centre of my card there, so I'll put the P in the centre, and then I'll just keep working my way along the letters and hopefully I don't misspell it. It's handy actually to have the guide beside me there. And then next I'm using some My Favourite Things. This is called Black Licorice and it's Copic marker friendly. And the rest of my sentiment, which is from the Party Animal set from Avriel. So now it's time to do some colouring, and I'll list all the colours that I use over at my blog, and the link will be in the YouTube description below. I've also got the star stamps from the Party Animal set. I thought they'd be cute around the head of the bird. So I'll do a couple of those. And this is some Memento Lux. This one's called Dandelion. And as one last bit of colouring, I'm going to add a little bit of shadow to the sentiment, and I've got some warm greys. This is a 50% in this Prismacolor. And I'm just doing this at the base. Using a kind of flicking motion. And now I'm just going to add the panel to a card base. It's a top fold 10.5 by 15 centimetres. Now I decided this little bird needs glossy accents on his eyes, so it wasn't quite finished, but nearly. Then I'll just set this aside somewhere safe to dry for a couple of hours, and then I'll be finished. So I've had a blast colouring in this little fella today, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. So till then, happy paper crafting. Bye.